Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once the screen wakes up, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like the moon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, it will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled, and once you're done you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. To disable it, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, so it turns on automatically and turns off automatically. And to do it, we need to open the settings on our watch. So let's press the side button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. Here find the option called Preferences and tap on it. Oh, my bad. Preferences. And here tap on Do Not Disturb. And as you can see, we have the option called Auto Enable. Tap on it. And here we can select Scheduled. And once you select the scheduled, you can also tap on this arrow and we can make our schedule. The start time is when the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. And you can change it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. And next we have the end time, so the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning off. And then we can tap on the check mark. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 11:50 and turning off at 8:50 AM. You can also select the Smart D&D option. This option basically turns on the Do Not Disturb mode while you go to sleep. So if the watch detects that you're sleeping, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. Okay. And once you're done, of course, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.